If you need to clean up your Mailchimp account and remove an old campaign, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to delete campaigns in Mailchimp step by step. Whether you're clearing out drafts, getting rid of test campaigns, or just organizing your account, this is a simple process that only takes a moment once you know where to click. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to Mailchimp and sign into your account if you aren't already logged in. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the campaign section in the main navigation and click on it. This will take you to your list of campaigns where you can see all of the emails and campaign items associated with your account. Now find the campaign you want to remove. You can scroll through the list and tick the checkbox next to the campaign you want to delete. If you have more than one campaign to remove, you can select multiple items here, but make sure you've chosen the correct one before continuing. Once the campaign is selected, look for the Delete option and click on it. Mailchimp will usually bring up a confirmation step to make sure you really want to delete the campaign, since this action cannot always be easily undone. Take a second to double-check that you selected the right campaign. Then click Delete again to confirm your choice. After that, Mailchimp will remove the campaign from your list. And that's it. Your campaign has been deleted successfully. This is a really useful skill when you want to keep your Mailchimp workspace neat, reduce clutter, and stay organized as your email marketing grows. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.